everyone, this is Sunny Sky. We are at Treasure Island. We are going to the Sanding Ovations 11th Annual Masters Cup Sand Sculpture Competition and Music Festival. It's the largest competition in the U.S. where there is over $12,000 in cash prizes. So let's get this checked out. This is going to be a fun day. Let's go.
Indiana.
I wasn't over.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You see this? Do you see the backside?
Oh, I thought it was just crap.
Sorry, bro.
All the
Yeah.
I'm going to get the other side of the guitar so I can catch with something. On this side is and then I'm looking to see how the back side.
Look at what it's called, honey. Annie.
Well, that was the end of the sand sculptures. Now we have lots of vendors out here selling merchandise, lots of merchandise and food to eat and things to drink. We have bands playing here all weekend long. They're taking a break right now. More vendors. Oh my goodness. So much stuff to see here. landmark for you. We are right behind the Bilmar Hotel. The Bilmar Hotel has valet parking for you, so you don't have to fight to try to find a parking spot, because it's very hard to try to find parking out here. And they also have Sloppy Joe's there. You pay them to eat and stuff, and then your valet parking is free. It's a giant slide and playthings back there behind the stage there. The band that was playing is called School of Rock. I'm going to go hang out at Sloppy Joe's here at the Bilmar for a little bit and have a drink and get something to eat. So let's go see what's on the menu. Little gift shop in here. Straws are illegal here on the beach, and so they sell them here, metal straws with little pipe cleaner to clean your straw out. They sell them here for $3.99. I've seen them as high as $5 for a single metal straw. I am sitting outside at Sloppy Joe's at the best seat in the house right here. Here's the menu. Look at this. This is the best seat in the house. Looking out at the ocean. There's the Sanding Ovations right there. How awesome is this? Sit here and have a beer and have your lunch. Here's some more menu stuff. I'm going to order this Gulf Coast grouper, and I'm going to order it blackened. I've never had blackened anything before, so I'm going to try that. And my side is going to be, here's your choice of sides, and I am going to choose the black beans and yellow rice. Look at all those tents out there. This thing is huge, huge, huge festival. Yes, my blackened grouper. Yellow rice and beans. It looks beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this has to be the best tasting fish I've ever had. I'm not much of a seafood eater. I don't even have any tartar sauce on it. Just by itself. It's just the most amazing fish ever.
Here, swap out.
I got company. Aren't they cute?
Okay, listen. The place down there with the yellow umbrella.
Oh my gosh, this is the best fish ever. I give it a big thumbs up. We're here again at Sloppy Joe's at Treasure Island. Give it a try. You'll love it. By the way, it's the most perfect weather out here today. It's a beautiful 78 degrees. The sun is out. Got a nice breeze off the Gulf here. It's absolutely perfect. You can catch the Standing Ovations event the weekend before Thanksgiving. So if you want to try and come out here again next year, it's well worth the trip. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please catch me next time on Sunny in Florida. Give me a like, subscribe, and please give me some share and love. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.